Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and I hope you're having a great day. So today I am filming my Singleswag. This is, what month are we in? September, August. I want to say this is my July one. I am so far behind in filming, so please forgive me. So I had canceled this box, but I found that I still had one more. So I'm pretty sure this is my July box. So you've probably seen all sorts of videos on it. So let me see if I could, oh, it's August. So I'm not as far behind as I thought. So this is the August box. So if you're new to my channel, this is just how I roll. So if you like this video and its content, or my lovely personality, or my beautiful trees in the backyard, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's get into it. So it's a monthly subscription. I think it's $39.95, but let me tell you, there are discount codes for 40% off. I will leave a discount code below. I'm not sure how much that gets you, if it gets you 30, but trust me, there's like 40% off discounts on this box all the time. And so there's a card in there, and they have a variety of everything in this box. But to be honest, the one thing that kind of turned me off is they put a piece of jewelry in this box all the time. And they put the retail of the jewelry at like $60, $70. And trust me, it's not $60, $70. And it's normally not a piece of jewelry I even wear. So that just really kind of made it for me. But then occasionally I'll see a box that I love and then I have to order it because I want it. So the first thing in the box is a headband, and it's looks like it goes for charity because it says Headband for Hope. And I probably won't wear it because I just do not wear scarves, headbands, or anything like that. So it's beautiful, but I am not going to wear it. I'm not even going to unfold it because I will probably do it in a giveaway or a sneak giveaway, but I'm just not going to wear it. And they might have a picture of how it looks, but again, they usually send something like this, but I never wear it. And the Headbands of Hope, it's a summer scarf, accent your look all year long, and that retails for $34. And I know it would just go into a drawer somewhere or on a closet shelf. And they donate, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. So again, it's for a good cause, but I'm not going to wear that. But it was very pretty colors. And then the next thing, Amelia Rue. I bet you this is the piece of jewelry. I don't know. Comes in a very pretty box. Oh, it's a necklace and earrings. Oh, and it's purple. I do kind of like the stone. I won't wear the earrings because they're too small. And here's the bag, so it might be kind of a long necklace. And there's the stone. So I will look in my closet to see if I have something to go with this. So being that it's silver and I wear silver, I might just have to try it. But let's just wait and see how much they value this for. That's the part that kind of gets me. So the pear-shaped natural amethyst by Amelia Rue, $62. I was walking through a store or if I was looking to give it as a gift, I wouldn't pay $62 for that set. But it is actually pretty, and I might give it a try. Now, my favorite part of this box is they stick in a food item. And this happens to be the Belgian Boys Delige waffle, and it has pearl sugar. Not sure what that is, but I guarantee you by the time I edit and post this video, it will be gone. So no need to ask if I'm doing a giveaway on this, because it will be gone. And I don't know if they value that. Oh, it's $4. And then we have by Daily Concepts your facial mini scrubber. Very thin. With smart technology. It's gentle, mild, and vigorous. So I do use these. I do have some like it, and they usually only last me like a week or so before they fall apart and I end up losing them or just getting rid of them. But they are nice to get in a box. And those retail for facial scrubber with smart technology, and they retail, this retails for $11. And again, I would not go to a store and pay $11 for this, but it is again a nice item to have. And then we have Chloe Emerald, oh, a beauty bar. I don't know what this is, but it smells amazing. And I'm sure my little creatures out here are gonna love the smell of this. Oh, is there 4? Oh, there's 4. That's why they're all different colors. And there's 4 beauty bars. It's gonna show you mine. Oh my God. So there's 4 beauty bars. And this one is Cooling Mint. My God. I would love to just stick them in like my drawers to have my drawers smell good. Cooling Mint, Smoothing Lavender, Energizing Citrus. It would sound like a great drink. And Refreshing Strawberry. Now, what is a beauty bar? But we're gonna find out. Didn't say soap or anything, it just said beauty bar. 4-piece beauty bar soap set. It retails for $22. Love your skin with this gentle ultra moisturizing bar soap set featuring 4 individually wrapped bar soaps, each in a simple distinctive fragrance. Good quality soap is one of life's simple but important luxuries. So I guess it's just a bar soap, but it smells amazing. And then we have Molly Jacob Dazzling Illuminizer. Apply illuminator directly after you apply foundation and before blush. This will give it a dazzling glow. I'm not sure if it's something I will use. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it and test it because I might not use it. But it sounds fun. I just don't know if I want my face to glow and you like see me like a flashlight coming in through the woods. Oh, and where's my card? The Illuminizer, $26. Can be added to, you can add it to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, I guess, to kind of dull that bright effect. And then we have the Hannah Sienna Purifying Charcoal Mask. And, oop, see, the bugs are coming out. And it's just a tube. I've got about 3 charcoal masks in line waiting to be used. So, but this is really good. And our charcoal mask, which again, you can never get too many of, $4. So that's about right for charcoal mask. And then the last thing in the box, this really wasn't a bad box. It had a lot of nice products in there. And again, I might even try that necklace. It is a book, Chasing the Bright Side, by Jess Ekstrom. And it's a page turner that you won't be able to put down until you've finished. Opportunities for growth, Chasing the Bright Side is the guide you need. Do you have dreams for yourself and the world? So it looks like maybe a self-help book. And this is the print, so with my readers I might be able to read it. So if anybody got this box and received this book and read this book, let me know how you enjoyed it. So this really was not a bad box, I must admit. There were nice products in here. They were, you know, all over the place, so I like that. And the soap, I might just put this like in my drawers just so it smells good. And what did you think of the scarf? If you wear scarves, would you like to wear that scarf? So the total price of this box, again, you could get this box for like $22 a month. So it's really not a bad box. The retail value is $211. And if you display this box on Instagram, you can actually win a free box. So they do that every month. So it's love yourself and never settle. And what's great about it, you don't have to be single to get this box. So leave in the comments, let me know what you thought of this box. And as always, you guys have a wonderful day.